What does 1 million get you in the Grand Valley? What does 400,000 get you? Hi, I'm Realtor Mike Tofel. This is Christi Reece.
Hello.
And welcome to Team Tuesday. With real estate prices still on a tear throughout the country, we thought it would be interesting to look at what different price points get you in the Grand Valley. When you compare our home prices to other areas, especially the Front Range of Colorado, you really get an incredible value for your dollar in these parts.
I agree, Mike. Let's start on the big side. Check out this $1,250,000 home in the Redlands area of Grand Junction. For that price tag, you get 2.39 acres, over 5,100 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 4 baths, and absolutely incredible views of the monument.
So in the 600,000s, you could get a 3-bedroom, 3-bath, 2-car garage in almost a half an acre in a beautiful neighborhood in the Redlands.
That was a great property you just closed on, right, Mike?
That one just closed last week and had many offers, and so the market is still hot in that price range.
So moving into the 400s, you can get a brand new build like the homes we have listed in the new Desert Peach Subdivision. These are listed at $465,000, 1615 square feet, 3-bedroom, 2-bath with 3-car garage, open floor plans, quality finishes, modern designs, and high ceilings in a great area.
And for under $100,000, you can get into a mobile home. We have a very cute, fully updated home in Fruita that is listed at $88,900 with 552 square feet, 2 bedrooms, and 1 bath. This home has a great modern touches throughout.
So you can see we have a breadth of prices here in the Grand Valley, and you get so much more on the Western Slope than you do in many other parts of Colorado. The views, the access to the outdoors, the cost of living makes us really grateful to live here, doesn't it, Mike?
Absolutely. So if you've been thinking of buying or selling, we can help find you a home, whatever your budget. Give us a call at 970-589-7700 to talk to one of the realtors on our team. Thank you for joining us for Team Tuesday. Have a great day.
Bye.